Well, everyone, you might be having a particular situation where you're trying to go ahead and figure out whether you should get an authentic iPhone display, replacement, or if you should get a replacement with a third-party display. Meaning, should you go inside of that phone store that you have? Should you send it online to somebody else who's not an Apple, reputable, replacer? Now, the big thing to keep in mind is, number one, third-party displays most of the time can give you a lot of issues on your displays, meaning that they can go through and give you some compatibility issues. Sometimes they might not be installed right, which is very rarely. They usually are installed pretty right. The problem that you might experience here, though, is that with a lot of these particular displays, what ends up happening is those just little pop-ups end up popping up on your iPhone display over and over and over again, telling you that your display isn't authentic, that it's fake, that it's not real. It just gives you so many random pop-ups and issues, and I experience that all the time. It's very, very annoying. I feel like this in and of itself is a problem, and I have an iPhone display that has this type of issue, and it is a very, very annoying issue. I hate dealing with it, and you are probably going to end up dealing with it if you get a device like this. So keep that in mind. Again, it's not the biggest deal in the world, but that is just one other thing that you're going to be experiencing in this type of situation. Now, on top of that, the quality of these displays may not be that great. You might be seeing that these displays probably not the best looking displays of all time. They might end up having some sort of issues here and there, but usually a lot of these displays don't support any True Tone or Face ID or ProMotion if you have any of those Pro models. That is another very, very big problem that you might be experiencing with a third-party display. A full-on authentic Apple display, those things are guaranteed to work, and if they don't, you send it back and they'll fix it, they'll apologize, and they'll give you another thing probably on top of it. I will tell you, with a third-party display, there's really not too many guarantees. However, the only advantage I would probably say of a third-party display is that they are typically cheaper. So it is a little bit cheaper to go through. And basically, get a third-party display on your particular iPhone. They can be much cheaper. For more expensive devices, like an iPhone 15 Pro or 16 Pro, those things can cost almost $300 depending on your area. However, with an iPhone like an iPhone, 15 Pro, if you want to replace the display in the used market with a third-party display, it wouldn't cost that much. But because of that, you're missing out on some cool features, but also you're getting a third-party display without really any warranties or any support. So what I'm trying to say is that if you really want to save yourself a lot of money, you can go ahead and buy a third-party display and try doing it yourself and get someone else to do it. But if you're trying to just go ahead and get a device that's probably going to be giving you a pretty decent experience with its display, it might just make a little bit more sense to go and just pay the money, get a newer display, or just buy a new iPhone at that point and spend the money. So in terms of that kind of covers it up there for the most part. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.